Alright everybody, this is going to be a bit of a different video today. You know, normally I do hotel tours and stuff like that, but I'm going to do something different today. What we're standing out in front of is a lodge right near Volcano National Park in Volcano, Hawaii. I know, that's actually the name of this town. I'll get the name of this place in the description. I'm not sure how to pronounce it right offhand. But I'm actually staying here 2 nights, so I'm going to get you all a pretty comprehensive tour of this place because I don't think there's a true tour of this place on YouTube as of right now. The parking situation, you got 2 spots here, and then the overflow parking is over here. It's dark out, so there's not much to see. Like, I'll come around here. And how convenient, that light just came on. But yeah, this is all of the parking over here. There is someone else staying here. Well, let's look around the outside real quick. Here you go, that's the name of this place. Lokahi, I guess. I don't know how to pronounce that. We got recycling and trash. And then there's the self-check-in kiosk. Of course, all the checking in and stuff is online and through email and stuff, but they drop your keys right here. And then there's the Volcano National Park guides and stuff. A freshly watered plant, and then of course we got the main entrance. And then when you check out, you drop your keys in here. Take a look around the perimeter of this place. Each room has doors that lead to the outside. Back here doesn't look like there's much. It looks like a path to something. I'm not sure what it is. But yeah, it's mostly just a couple chairs and tables and whatnot. There's a little shack right here of some sort. I have no idea what this is back here. I'm not gonna bother with it. It's dark out here. Fascinating. And that's an entire loop around this place. And now we're back at the parking lot. But now we're gonna go inside and take a look at the rest of this place. Make sure it's unlocked all the way. I'm whispering because it's after 9 p.m. and that's the quiet hours. But your entryway, you've got coffee making supplies, phone and the Wi-Fi routers, and some hand sanitizer, along with some conditioner and shampoo, it looks like, yeah, and some more bar soap. Dehumidifier. ironing board and other stuff like that. Cool piano on display over here too. And a very cool wind-up clock as well. Yes, that is a room up there, by the way. Over here, we have extra guest supplies, toilet paper, paper towels, other towels and washcloths and stuff like that. And then down here, you got the rest of the rooms. You got 4 extra rooms here. But tonight, I'm staying in room 208. So let me make sure I get the right key out here. And we are going to check this place out. So let's take a look here. We've got the evacuation map, of course. The smoke detector's up here. Of course, this is a non-smoking room, so it's a pretty basic lodge room, to say the least. I mean, pretty basic amenities. So let's get a look around here. Up here we got a Sanyo TV, I guess that's how you pronounce it. Dish satellite TV comes with it. There's no smart compatibilities, of course. Here's the door to the outside that you can use. We got a dehumidifier. This window does open, by the way. We got 2 chairs over here and a table with the TV remote. Hey there. Coming in here, we got, like, I guess a closet with complimentary hangers, extra pillows, and some sheets by the looks of it. Hair dryer for use. Dish soap and sponge and a towel. We got a fan and I guess a heater also, complimentary. Suitcase rack, my stuff, and a trash can. We got a fridge. And on top of that, a freezer. With a bag of ice included and some fresh ice in here too. Up here, silverware kits, coffee mugs, and some fancy wine glasses, I guess. Bottle opener, small bowls, and some plates. Extra coffee making supplies, and it does have a coffee maker also. It's just sugar kit, I guess. And then paper towels and a microwave. Looks nice and clean. So yeah, I mean, all of this looks nice and clean. The walls I don't see very many defects. There's a Little Tree air freshener in there too. Here's the bed. You know what? I'm gonna take my shoes off and test the comfiness of it. This mattress is pretty comfy overall. Pretty good comfy level. Cleanliness. I did pull the sheets back. Okay. Let's check these pillows. Very nice. Looks nice and clean. Check these over here, I guess. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything. There is a hair, though. And another one. All right, then. That's promising. Get a look at the nightstand, I guess. We got 2 lamps. There's 2 nightstands, actually. Adequately sized drawer. In compartment down here. These walls could definitely use a little work. There's a lot of scratches and whatnot, probably from like luggage and stuff. It could use a little cleaning, maybe a little spackling, I don't know. But yeah, cosmetically, that could use a little attention. I'm also noticing like a bunch of holes in the wall over here. But otherwise, the rest of this room, it's looking pretty nice. And the ceiling fan right over the bed, I actually like that. I actually like that a lot. Especially when it gets hot here. But let's take a look at the bathroom. I'm gonna shut this and just come in here. We got a bunch of towels in here already. Very antique, definitely. We got water glasses, hand soap, in the sink. Water pressure, good. And they say do not use your hairdryer outside of the bathroom because apparently it will blow a fuse. So you should take that into account. Toilet paper. I don't know if my camera's picking it up, but that looks like a stain. Oh, golly. I don't know. Trash can, extra toilet paper. They do warn about limited resources, which I do understand. We're in the middle of nowhere, basically. The toilet. All right, now we got the bathtub and the shower. It's not the biggest, and it's definitely shown its age. That shower head does look like it was replaced. These nozzles, though. Oh, that's how it drains. All right, then. There's already conditioner, shampoo, and body soap in here. Fascinating. And then there's the towel hanger right up here. Yo. But yeah, otherwise this bathroom is definitely on the antique side. But otherwise it still looks pretty clean. It's also got a toilet plunger just in case. Overall, not bad. I don't know if I got much more to cover in here. I think I got just about everything. But yeah, I do like the use of all of the dishware and stuff. That's actually very nice. The silverware, I wasn't really expecting it to be wrapped like that. Such high quality napkins. I do like that. But yeah, otherwise, I think I covered just about everything about this room. So overall, I mean, I don't know if I'm the biggest fan of the antique feel to it. I mean, it's definitely shown its age, but given the area you're in, because we're basically in the middle of the national park, I guess it's meant to look all rustic and vintage looking. But cleanliness wise, I mean, they're doing a decent job, other than a couple hairs on the bed and also all of those scratches on the wall. But otherwise, the rest of this looks pretty decent. So if you're looking for an accommodation near the Volcano National Park, I'd say this is a rather adequate place to stay. And I can update you depending on if I come across other concerns. But otherwise, so far, first impressions, not too shabby. I'll see if I can get a good night's sleep. But with that said, I think I've covered just about everything in this room. I hope this was a helpful tour. I can't see any other tours of this place on YouTube, so I think this might be one of the first ones. But yeah, hopefully this was helpful. Thank you all so much for watching this. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. It's free and you can always change your mind later. But with that said, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.